Alright, so I'm going to explain to you guys how I managed to get a sell over this point, okay, Euro AUD. Alright, so first we look at action daily. Alright, so it's a downtrend, so of course we're going to focus on sell. Alright, so on daily, as you guys can see here, we have engulfing sell zone, isn't it? Okay, so H4, when I go to H4, okay, if we try to wait for engulfing sell, and then we wait for actually we're planning to wait for a pullback, isn't it? But price did not manage to pull back to this point because of this, okay. But if you guys want to entry earlier over this point, it is possible. So from daily, we will skip time frame to H1. Alright, so in H1, as I can see, along the way price went up, it forms engulfing buy and an engulfing buy, isn't it? But this engulfing buy has been broken and it becomes engulfing fail. And of course, here we have engulfing sell. So pullback, actually I take risk to go for a sell. But if you guys want to wait for confirmation, there you go, engulfing sell. Okay, or you can go to M15 and wait for another confirmation, which is engulfing sell and engulfing fail over this point. So when price pull back, you guys can sell. So this is kind of easy setups, right? So price go all the way down to this point, and why price reject here? Because of this engulfing fail. Okay, so price went up a little bit, okay, and reject engulfing sell over here. But I miss this opportunity to sell here. But there is confirmation. When we go to H1, here we can see engulfing sell. So when price pull back, we can sell. If we sell means you're already in profit about 50 pips. Okay, so sometimes you can just use 2 time frames or even 1 time frame to entry, but actually I prefer 2 time frames and above. Okay, so I think it will go down to this engulfing buy, I mean this one, maybe, right? Because here we have engulfing fail. So I think there's possibility for the price to pull back to this point, and maybe if there's confirmation, we can go for a buy. If there's no confirmation, means we will hold our position. We will hold our sell position since the overall trend is downtrend. Okay, so that's all.